Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a really cute little ghost with a pumpkin. Before we get started, feel free to press the like button and feel free to press subscribe so that you'll be here for every other Daily Doodle and you won't miss one. Alright, so first I'm going to sketch it out. So I'm going to start with really big eyes, a little circle in that eye, and another little circle in that eye, and I'm going to give him another great big eye. And same thing, big circle, little circle. Now I'm going to give him a cute little smile, and I'm going to give him two little blushies, little cheek blushies. And now top of his little ghost head, and give him like a little swoop there for the tip of his head, and then come on down the side. And now I'm going to give him his little ghosty arm. Give him a big curve here because he's going to be holding the pumpkin. Okay, so that's his little hand and that's his little arm. Now he's going to be holding a pumpkin. So 1 hump, 2 hump, 3 hump. 3 humps for this little pumpkin. And same on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now his little cheek there. Finish up the cheek. And gonna do the little stump on that pumpkin. And some little lines for our pumpkin. Make it look more like a pumpkin. And the little ghosty's other hand. And his arm there on the other side. Okay, and now his little ghosty body. And I'm going to give it lots of little curves. Lots of little swerves. Okay, now I'm going to give him some cute little hearts. Maybe this ghost really loves pumpkins. Alright, so now I am going to darken everything with a marker. Just going to go over everything. And I'm going to darken in the eyes. So after I have everything all darkened in with the marker, I'm going to erase my pencil lines. So you can see how I'm not drawing over all my pencil lines perfectly. I'm not too worried about that. I'm just going to erase those. Okay, so I think he's really cute so far. Now let's see. Okay, an eraser. I'm just going to use the one on the back of my pencil and just erase some of those pencil lines. All right, now let's add some more color. More color, there's no color yet. Okay, I'm gonna take a gray and I am going to color in little bits and pieces of our ghosty friend, but I'm not gonna color all of them. Just gonna kind of add little pops here and there. And I think he's already so much cuter with our little bits of shadowy pops. And you can see I'm using the gray to kind of go with the little grooves here we got, with his little curves. I'm putting in some shadows here with our gray. All right, now I'm going to color in the pumpkin and use a nice bright orange. I really wanted to make sure I use a super bright orange where most of this illustration is pretty pale. Okay, and now the green of this stem. And color in his little blushy, cheek blushy parts. And the little hearts here. Hey, I think you turned out so cute! Alright, I'm also going to put a little bit of that gray we used earlier on the pumpkin, just for a little bit of shadow. Nothing too dramatic here. And I'm going to take this blue and give him a little bit of a fun background just to add some pops of color. Now, you certainly don't have to do this, but you can if you want to. So I'm just doing all kinds of little blobs of color. Just coloring around what we drew. No particular rules here, just having fun. Drawing around. And feel free to stop this video at any point if you need to pause it and catch up or anything, or if you need to go back a little bit, that's fine too. Okay, and there we go. We've got our super cute little ghost with a pumpkin. I think he turned out really, really cute. All right, folks, let me know if you liked this illustration. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what I should draw next, what you would like to see for tomorrow's Daily Doodle. And don't forget to press that subscribe button so that you don't miss tomorrow's Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, have fun drawing. Hope you have a good day. Bye.